Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to see the conjugated forms of the verb to work. The word መስራት means to work. መስራት means to work. እሰራለሁ, I work. You don't have to use the pronoun I, any, because the conjugated verb by itself indicates who you're talking about. But if you want to add the pronoun any, you can say any እሰራለሁ, I work, እሰራለሁ, I work. ልሰራ ነው, I'm gonna work. ልሰራ ነው, I'm gonna work. You can also say እኔ ልሰራ ነው, እኔ means I. እኔ ልሰራ ነው. እየሰራሁ ነው, I'm working. እየሰራሁ ነው, I'm working. ሰርቻለሁ, I've worked. ሰርቻለሁ, ሰርቼ ነበር, I worked. ሰርቼ ነበር, እየሰራሁ ነበር, I was working. እየሰራሁ ነበር። እሰራለሁ, I'll work. It also means I work. In Amharic, there is no difference between the present tense form and the future tense form. So, እሰራለሁ means I work. It also means I'll work. እሰራለሁ, it means I work. It also means I will work. እሰራ ነበር, I would work. እሰራ ነበር, I would work. እንሰራለን, we work. If you want to add the pronoun እኛ or we, you can say እኛ እንሰራለን, we work. ልንሰራ ነው, we're gonna work. You can also say እኛ ልንሰራ ነው, እኛ means we. ልንሰራ ነው, we're gonna work. እየሰራን ነው, we're working. እየሰራን ነው, we're working. ሰርተናል, we've worked. ሰርተናል, we've worked. You can also say እኛ ሰርተናል, we've worked. ሰርተን ነበር, we worked. ሰርተን ነበር, we worked. እየሰራን ነበር, we were working. እየሰራን ነበር. You can also say እኛ እየሰራን ነበር, እየሰራን ነበር። እኛ means we. So እኛ እየሰራን ነበር. We were working. እንሰራለን will work. እንሰራለን will work. እንሰራለን እንሰራ ነበር we would work. we'd work. እንሰራ ነበር we would work. ትሰራለህ you work. This is when you're saying it to a male. So ትሰራለህ, you work to a male. When you're talking to a male, like you say ትሰራለህ, you work. ልትሰራ ነው, you're gonna work. ልትሰራ ነው, you're gonna work. That means this is what you say when you're talking to a male, like ልትሰራ ነው. እየሰራ ነው, you're working. This is when you're saying it to a male, like እየሰራ ነው. ሰርተሃል, you've worked. ሰርተሃል. ሰርተህ ነበር, you worked. ሰርተህ ነበር, you worked. እየሰራህ ነበር, you were working. እየሰራህ ነበር. Again, this is a masculine form. እየሰራህ ነበር. ትሰራለህ, you'll work. ትሰራለህ, you'll work. ትሰራ ነበር, you'd work. ትሰራ ነበር, you'd work. ትሰሪያለሽ, you work. This is a feminine form. This is when you're talking to a female. ትሰሪያለሽ, you work. ልትሰሪ ነው, you're gonna work. Again, this is a feminine form. This is when you're talking to a female, like ልትሰሪ ነው, you're gonna work. እየሰራሽ ነው, you are working. እየሰራሽ ነው. ሰርተሻል, you've worked. Again, this is a feminine form. ሰርተሽ ነበር, you worked. እየሰራሽ ነበር, you were working. ትሰሪያለሽ, you'll work. ትሰሪያለሽ፣ you'll work. ትሰሪ ነበር ትሰሪ ነበር you'd work again this is when you're saying it to a female like ትሰሪ ነበር you'd work ትሰራላችሁ you guys work this is when you're saying it to a group of people like ትሰራላችሁ you guys work ልትሰሩ ነው ልትሰሩ ነው you guys are gonna work ልትሰሩ ነው you guys are gonna work እየሰራችሁ ነው you guys are working እየሰራችሁ ነው you guys are working ሰርታችኋል you guys have worked ሰርታችኋል you guys have worked ሰርታችሁ ነበር you guys worked ሰርታችሁ ነበር you guys worked እየሰራችሁ ነበር you guys were working እየሰራችሁ ነበር you guys were working እየሰራችሁ ነበር ትሰራላችሁ you guys will work ትሰራላችሁ you guys will work ትሰሩ ነበር you guys would work ትሰሩ ነበር you guys would work ይሰራል he works ይሰራል he works ሊሰራ ነው he's gonna work ሊሰራ ነው he's gonna work if you want to add the pronoun እሱ or he you can say እሱ ሊሰራ ነው again in all of these phrases you don't have to add the pronouns but if you want to add the pronouns that's totally fine እሱ ሊሰራ ነው እየሰራ ነው he's working ሰርቷል he's worked ሰርቷል ሰርቶ ነበር he worked ሰርቶ ነበር እየሰራ ነበር he was working ይሰራል he'll work ይሰራል he'll work ይሰራ ነበር he would work ይሰራ ነበር ትሰራለች she works ትሰራለች ልትሰራ ነው she's gonna work እየሰራች ነው she is working እየሰራች ነው she is working ሰርታለች she's worked ሰርታለች she's worked ሰርታ ነበር she worked እየሰራች ነበር እየሰራች ነበር። She was working. እየሰራች ነበር. She was working. ትሰራለች. She works. She works. ትሰራለች. She works. ትሰራ ነበር. She'd work. ትሰራ ነበር. She'd work. She'd work. ይሰራሉ. They work. ይሰራሉ. They work. Again, if you want to add the pronoun they or እነሱ, you can say እነሱ ይሰራሉ. They work. እነሱ ይሰራሉ. But you don't have to use the pronoun. ሊሰሩ, no. They're gonna work. They're gonna work. ሊሰሩ, no. They're gonna work. እየሰሩ, no. እየሰሩ, no. እየሰሩ ነው. They're working. They're working. ሰርተዋል. ሰርተዋል. They've worked. They've worked. ሰርተው ነበር. They worked. ሰርተው ነበር. They worked. እየሰሩ ነበር. They were working. እየሰሩ ነበር. They were working. ይሰራሉ. They'll work. They'll work. ይሰራሉ. They'll work. ይሰራሉ. ይሰሩ ነበር. ይሰሩ ነበር. ይሰሩ ነበር. They'd work. They'd work. ይሰሩ ነበር. All right, that's it for today, and thank you guys for watching.